Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget orbital polishers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BLACK+DECKER Random Orbit Waxer/Polisher. This 6-inch orbital polisher operates at 4,400 orbits per minute. The 10-foot cord makes it easier to work with and maneuver. The two-handle design makes it easier to control. The handles are cushioned and comfortable to hold for the entire polishing job. The polisher only weighs 5.3 pounds, making it lightweight to reduce arm fatigue. Included with your polisher are 1 foam applicator pad and 2 polishing bonnets. You can use this polisher to apply wax, buff, and polish your vehicle's paint. Unfortunately, the included foam bonnet isn't the most durable, which can result in it tearing during use. Most car enthusiasts buy pads anyway. This polisher doesn't have a variable speed option either, which can make the application of compounds limiting. Comfortable and easy to use, this random orbit car polisher and waxer helps you buff, polish, and wax with ease. Random orbit action offers a swirl-free finish. Includes foam applicator bonnet and wool polishing bonnet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemical Guy's Random Orbital Polisher. Make your car's paint shine with this complete care and polishing kit. It comes with a heavy-duty and powerful polisher along with a strong motor that's 120 volts. And 700 watts that can run at 2,800 to 7,800 RPM. Its compact design delivers powerful and consistent polishing, paint correction, and cleaning results with minimal fatigue and wear on the user. Beginners will find this polisher easy to use with its streamlined controls. You can use this polisher to remove the defects, swirls, and scratches from your car's paint. One drawback of this polisher is that it can have a strong vibration at lower speeds. You may also find that the power switches are in awkward places or hard to reach. The pad on this polisher is also smaller than other polishers on this list. However, this is also an advantage for precise work and defect removal. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT Buffer/Polisher. You can depend on this polisher for the long haul with its heavy-duty, durable construction. It's powered by a 12-amp motor that generates 603,500 RPM. The pad plate can fit 7 or 9-inch diameter pads. You can move the handle into 3 positions, making it comfortable to use and easy to control your polisher. What makes this polisher stand out is the wool ingestion shield, which prevents your wool pads from getting caught up in the polisher while it's spinning. You'll appreciate how lightweight the polisher is at 6.7 pounds. One drawback of this polisher is that the speed control can malfunction, leaving your polisher stuck at 1 speed. There's also poor button placement, and you can accidentally hit them while polishing. This polisher is a great option for a more seasoned detailer but not the best choice for beginners. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PorterCable Variable Speed Polisher. This random orbital polisher is user-friendly and perfect for the beginner. Included is a 6-inch pad, which makes it ideal for working quickly. The motor is 4.5 amps and is capable of moving at 2,500 to 6,800 orbits per minute (OPM). What makes this polisher stand out is that the handle is removable so that you can position it on the right or left side, letting you customize the polisher to your comfort. One drawback of this polisher is that it doesn't indicate the OPM when adjusting the speed, leaving you guessing the exact level. You may also find it hard to start it cold at first. It can take some practice to get comfortable with it. The included foam pad also loses some love when it comes to durability and ease of switching. Car Polisher features a proprietary counterbalance for use with a 6-inch sanding/polishing pad and 2-position, left or right, removable side handle for greater comfort and control. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Works Car Buffer Polisher Kit. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, reliable, cordless orbital polisher, check out this polisher kit. It features an ergonomic dual-handle design that's great for beginners and seasoned polishers alike. The full-wrap, textured grip allows you to comfortably use this polisher for longer periods than some other competing models. It features a random orbiting frequency of 3000 OPM and a large 10-inch buffing surface that lets you cover a lot of area quickly. This polisher offers the cordless convenience of being able to go anywhere and polish a variety of surfaces, from automobiles to countertops, banisters, floors, and more. The included 20-volt battery and charger promise 45 minutes of uninterrupted run time before requiring a recharge. You might not get the full 45 minutes, though. Adding another battery to your purchase will help ensure that you have enough juice to complete your job. This unit is also bulkier and heavier to use than some others on the list. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.